As a realtor, you know first impressions are crucial, especially in real estate. But did you know that seasonal cleaning can be your secret weapon? Each season brings unique challenges and opportunities. In spring, it's all about fresh blooms and open houses, while summer requires a cool, inviting atmosphere. Autumn can be cozy, but leaves and dust can deter buyers. And winter? Well, that's when a spotless home shines like a diamond against the snowy backdrop. With TidyTex Home Cleaning, our retired Army veteran team knows how to adapt our strategies to ensure your properties look their best, no matter the season. Our quick turnarounds mean you can trust us to make homes sparkle before any showing. Imagine how much faster you can close deals when buyers walk into a pristine space that feels like home. Pro tip for your listings: open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. It makes the space brighter and more welcoming, perfect for highlighting your property's best features. Ready to elevate your listings? Check the video description for our contact details. Let TidyTex transform your properties and help you sell faster today.